I am so excited to tell you about an upcoming event in 2022 in March, but the early savings is actually ending on December 29th. So if you want to get in, you need to take fast action. This event is 2 days to 100K, and it's for elite coaches and consultants who want to add a new 100K income stream with ultra premium services. So maybe this is just adding an ultra premium package. Maybe this is creating a mastermind or a course or a program. We will create your fastest path to add an extra 100K or even more to your business. You might be an industry expert who would like to start coaching or consulting and you want to hit another 100K income stream, then this is also for you. So in this 2 days, we are going to package, market, and sell your service that can get you to an extra $100,000 or even much more. Now, I want you to know this is going to be held at the beautiful and iconic Lake of the Ozarks, Missouri. We're going to be getting a lakeside mansion or a castle to stay in. There are only 8 people that are going to be coming to this event. There are only 6 spots left. 2 are already taken. And everything is included except your travel. So we are going to do some fun events. We're going to have 2 days of intense work on your business, but we're going to have a lot of fun. Meals by a private chef. I've got all kinds of great things planned. It is going to be an amazing 2 days with amazing people. You will absolutely have a blast, but you'll also get some incredible work done, and you'll learn and you'll grow. So if you are interested in knowing more about the 2 days to 100K event, the luxury retreat and workshop, then all you need to do is message me and I'll get you the information to check it out. Remember, December 29th is the early savings where you can actually save $1,000 if you sign up by then. So 6 spots left. Let's get you in. You will not want to miss this. I'm Ann Carden. You have an amazing day. Bye-bye.